Hello and welcome back. I hope that you're all having an amazing day today. If this is your first time here, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video, guys, we are going to be unboxing the June BoxyLuxe subscription. So if you're interested in seeing what came inside of this month's box, stay tuned. If you're not familiar with BoxyLuxe, it is a quarterly subscription that BoxyCharm offers for $49.99. What this is an upgrade to your base BoxyCharm box in the months that they offer the BoxyLuxe subscription. So if you were interested in receiving BoxyLuxe, you would basically pay an additional $24.99 on top of the $25 that you pay for your base box, and then in that month you would receive the BoxyLuxe. Now BoxyLuxe does come out 4 times a year, and it is in March, June, September, and December. Each box contains between 8 and 9 full-size beauty and or lifestyle products and has a value of over $200. Now with that said, let's go ahead and dive in and see what came inside of this month's BoxyLuxe. When you receive your subscription box, it comes in a large black and white box like this with BoxyCharm on the front. When we open it up, it says BoxyCharm BoxyLuxe, and on the top of the lid there, if you can see it, it has some of their social media information. And then your products are nice and neatly packaged down below. Okay, the first thing I'm pulling out is the card, and it says The Oasis, which I believe is the theme for this month, and here's what that card looks like. And I have variation number 13. Hoping you guys can see that there. The first item I'm pulling out of the box is from M. Greengrass CBD Head to Toe Cream, and that's what that looks like. It says this unique formula uses THC-free encapsulated CBD for faster absorption. It's also packed with high-performance ingredients for intense hydration, exceptional moisture, plus soothing and calming benefits. Great as a daily facial moisturizer or for challenging spots from head to toe, and is for all skin types. Okay, so I guess this is a CBD cream that you can use on face and body. Here's what that looks like again. Let's go ahead and open it up and give it a try. It has a little pump there, so let's go ahead. Oh, okay. Here's what that looks like. Okay. It has a nice consistency to it, very smoothing. And it doesn't have any type of smell at all to me. So I will definitely give this a try to see if I like it. I probably won't put it on my face. I'll probably use it more as a hand and body cream, but we'll see. The value of this cream is $56. There is absolutely no way that I would pay $56 for 1 ounce of cream. It would have to take away every single wrinkle and blemish that I had. But again, nice to get in a subscription box. The next item I'm seeing inside of the box is from Pure Heals by Nature Village. And this is a Propolis 80 sleeping mask. It says sleeping mask enriched with 80% honeybee propolis extract, provides full nourishment and glowing skin for tired skin while you sleep. And how to use? Use instead of a cream at the end of your daily skincare regimen. Leave on overnight and rinse off in the morning. Can be used at night every day. Okay, so this sounds like a sleeping mask. Okay, again, that's what that looks like. And we also got a sleeping mask inside of the BoxyCharm Premium this month. If you're interested in seeing that, I'll leave a link to it here so you can check it out if you like. And here's what that looks like. And it comes with a little scooper there. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh. Here's what that looks like. I'm hoping you guys can see it. I can't tilt it too far because it looks kind of runny. It'll run out. And here's what it looks like on the scoop. Let's go ahead and throw it on my hand and see what it feels like. You can definitely smell the honey in it to me. And it smells kind of lemony as well. But that's what that looks like. Okay. So it glides on really smooth. I apparently just put on way, way, way too much. That was probably enough for my whole face and then some. Again, it smells a little honey, a little lemon. Okay. I'll definitely give this a try. I love a good mask, so I'll check this out and see how it works. The value of this mask is $55. The next thing I'm pulling out of the box is from Perlice, and it's a Perfect Glow BB Cream with the SPF 30. And it's in the color Tan Deep. So they did include a complexion product this month. Let's see how well they match me up. Let's take a look at that. It does have a safety seal, guys. And here's what that color looks like. Okay. Let's rub it in. When I rub it in, it actually doesn't look too bad at all. Okay, it looked a little darker before I rubbed it in, but once I rub it in, it kind of looks like it blends pretty well. Now that's on my hand. I'm not sure how it's going to be on my face, but it's kind of nice to get a complexion product and be able to try it out. So I'm excited about that. I'll be definitely giving this BB cream a try and see how it works out for me. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a separate video doing a full face of nothing but the products that I've received from BoxyCharm. And between this month's Luxe so far and Premium, I have almost enough to do a full face, and then definitely with the products I've received from some other boxes. So I'm going to do a video doing a full face of BoxyCharm. The cost of this BB cream is $35. The next item I'm seeing inside of the box is from Kylie Skin, and I believe this is a product that everyone got, and it's the foaming face wash. And here's what that looks like. And it has a pump-like feature there, and I'm assuming this comes out like a foam. Let's go ahead and test it. Yep, there it is. That's how it comes out. I can always use another face wash, so I'm not mad at this at all. And it's nice that they included something from Kylie Skin, so I'll definitely give this a try. The value of this face wash is $24. The next item I'm pulling out of the box is actually an item that I chose, and it's from Lily Lashes, their mascara. The choices to me weren't that great, so I just went ahead and chose this. I know I have a ton of mascara, but I'm like, I don't have any from Lily Lashes, so why not, right? And here's what that looks like outside of the packaging. And let's go ahead and take a peek at the brush. All right, so nothing fancy about the brush, but there it is for you. And this is in the color black. The cost of this mascara is $24. The next item I'm pulling out of the box is also something that I chose, and it's from, I guess you say this, O'Shea, O-C, I'm not really sure. And it looked kind of weird, but like I said, the choices weren't that great to me, so I just chose something that I thought I might use and I'd never seen before. So, and this is what that is. And it's I know I'm going to butcher this, but a gua sha tool. I have no idea what that is or what have you, but I think it's something that's supposed to massage the face. That's exactly what it's supposed to do. Here are the instructions on how to use it. Definitely something that I'll have to figure out and play with, but I figure you can't go wrong with something that kind of massages and stimulates the facial muscles. Hopefully it'll help to reduce some of these wrinkles and things that I'm starting to get at my age, but we'll see. It looks weird, but hey, maybe it works really well. The value of this is $32. I don't know about that, but hey, nice to get in a box. The next thing I'm seeing in the box is from Bodyography, and it is a lip pencil 2-pack. Okay, here's what that looks like. Now I can always use a good lip pencil, so let's see. So here's what those look like. And these are the colors here on the end, and this first one is Rosewood, and the second one is Pouty. Let's go ahead and do a quick swatch of these. Okay, they glide on pretty nicely. And they are wooden, so you can sharpen them, which is nice as well. This one here is Pouty, and this one is Rosewood. And like I said, they glided on really nicely, so I'm excited about that. I love a good lip pencil. The cost of this lip pencil duo is $28. Now the last item in the box, guys, is the one that I was the most excited about, and I believe that everyone got inside of their BoxyLuxe, and that is the Tarte Pro Amazonian Clay Palette. Here's what that looks like. Let's go ahead and pop that open. Here's what it looks like outside of the packaging, and on the back is a gold mirror type of effect. Oh, this is really, really pretty. They have a huge mirror in here, guys. You can see that. And then here are the shades of eyeshadow there. Absolutely stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Now, there are 16 matte eyeshadows, and it looks like 4 shimmers, so there's a total of 20 in the palette. Again, that's what that looks like. And I'll go ahead and do a few swatches for you. So here are all 4 of the shimmer swatch. Look at that, guys. They are absolutely beautiful. And here we have Ethereal, we have Glam, we have Minx, and we have Trendy. This is Trendy here. I'm loving those shimmer colors. I actually decided to go ahead and swatch them all for you. So here are the first 2 rows of mattes. And they all swatch really nicely. And on these top ones, I did go over a couple of them with a couple of swatches, and they are nicely buildable. And here we have the color Classic, we have Innocent, we have Whimsy, and we have Smoked. And then on the second row here, we have Vintage, we have Fierce, No Filter, and Vamp. And here are the last 2 rows swatched. Look at those colors. You can create so many different looks throughout this whole palette, especially by topping them off with some of those shimmers. Love it. All right, so here we have Chic, we have Profesh, Mod, and Drama. And then on this last row, we have Indie, Bold, Edgy, and Punk. And that is 1 swatch of that black. Really nice. Alright guys, so that was all of the shadows in the palette swatch for you. And that was the last item inside of June's BoxyLuxe subscription. I come up with a total box value of $303, guys, which is an absolutely great deal for a $49 box. And I absolutely love everything that I received inside of this month's BoxyLuxe subscription. The only thing I was a little iffy about maybe was the CBD cream, but I will definitely use this on my hands and some other body parts to see how it works out. I'm super excited about the palette. I love the BB cream, and I'm hoping that the color matches my face as well as it did my hands, so I can try that out. I just think they put some really good products in this month's box. Anyway guys, let me know down in the description box below which was your favorite item in this month's BoxyLuxe box. And also, if you received BoxyLuxe, let me know what you thought about your box this month. That is everything that I have for today. I thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me. I really do appreciate it. Before you go, if you'd hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a like, I would appreciate that as well. And until next time guys, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.